and this performs just like those high-end products. आराम से टक्कर दे सकता है because these are पैसा वसूल products. This is not a sponsored video. I've been using it. I've been loving it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज के इस वीडियो में I'm going to be sharing my brief thought and my brief review of the very beautiful matte look cheek stain mousse blushes, and this are how they look like. मेरे पास है 3 shades from pink to bright beautiful orange and a beautiful nude color right here. They went out of stock during the month of January, I think, and they are in stock right now, and that's why I got my hands on them. I have 3 beautiful shades right here. So yeah, these are just under rupees, like 399, retail for just 260 rupees, and these are heavily pigmented, give such a beautiful color payoff. So yes, without much blabbering, चलो शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को. फर्स्ट बात करते हैं अबाउट द पैकेजिंग. लुक एट द पैकेजिंग राइट हियर. कितना ब्यूटीफुल सा क्यूट सा पैकेजिंग है. द आउटर पैकेजिंग कम्स लाइक दिस. लिखा हुआ है मैट लुक चीक स्टेन मूस ब्लश, एंड सारी डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड सारी चीजें आपको लिखे हुए मिल जाएंगे, फ्रॉम द शेड्स टू द इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड हाउ टू यूज. सारी चीजें आपको पैकेजिंग, आउटर पैकेजिंग में सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगे. चलो मैं आपको शेड बता देती हूँ. सो द शेड राइट हियर दैट आई हैव, that is nude in color, is called 05 Paradise. Then I have this beautiful bright pink shade, and this is called 03 Rosette. And lastly, I have this very beautiful bright orange shade, and this is called 01 Dreamboat, and this is how it looks like. So when I go ahead and open this up, this is how the beautiful packaging looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. आप देख पा रहे हो कितना beautiful सा packaging है. Look at that beauty right here. मैं close up shot सारी चीजें लगवा दूंगी. So this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. Beautiful packaging है, gold cap है, gold lid है, and then you get the frosted glass, you know, that just looks absolutely gorgeous. And then when you go ahead and open this up, आपको Doe Food applicator मिल जाएगा. And look at the product right here. Guys, I have used this for a while now. 2 हफ्ते से ज़्यादा हो चुके हैं. I have them and I have used them over and over again. चाहे वो मैं you know makeup करने बैठी हूँ for shooting my videos or to just go out. Trust me, they are bomb बोलना भी you know कम शब्द पड़ेगा, because they are absolutely gorgeous. These are so you know pigmented. इतने सब लोगों ना, just like the piece size amount will be more than enough in order to achieve that flushed cheeks, that rosy cheeks, that rosy beautiful cheeks. This right here, I have used the blushes right here, and look at how gorgeous it looks. आपको इतने से लेना पड़ता है. You can blend this with your blender or just with your hands, and you can get the most beautiful, radiant, glowy, hydrating sort of finish. And look at that, I have not used any highlighter. The shine that you see right here, this product exactly does that. एक dewy finish देता है आपके चेहरे को, एक hydrating finish देता है, एक radiant skin glow finish देता है. Not just you know adding color to your cheeks, but look at that radiant and glowing finish. I have not used a single you know tiny amount of any highlighter, and look at that. मैं आपको सारी चीजें you know लगा कर भी दिखा दूंगी. Product shots आ जाएंगे, application shots आ जाएंगे. So this is what the beautiful color looks like, and my cheeks looks like with just using this product right here. I've been constantly reaching out for them, and जब भी मुझे बाहर जाना पड़ रहा है ना, I just set them with another you know powder or a blush to just top it off to set them, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Oh god, I cannot even emphasize how beautifully it melts onto the skin. कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं होता है. I mean, you guys are just going to love this beautiful product. This seamlessly blends onto the skin and gives it that beautiful flush of color to the cheeks. आप देख ही पा रहे हो कितना ज्यादा dewy, hydrating formulation का है, and कितना ज्यादा खूबसूरत लग रहा है. You can just you know just skip the application part of your highlighter, because this gives you the brightest glow on your face without even actually you know getting your hands on the highlighter, because it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E that makes sure to give you that very dewy and hydrating look. Also, I just love the applicator that makes it just so easy to just go ahead and apply it on your cheeks. Just blend this in and you're good to go. आपको you know blender या फिर brush का भी इस्तेमाल नहीं करना होगा. If you want to do sit down and do proper makeup, आप बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. But if you're just on the go, just take out the you know applicator, just go ahead and dab it like this. तो आपको चाहिए होगा बहुत ही ज्यादा पिगमेंटेड है, बहुत ही ज्यादा कलर पे ऑफ देता है। दिस राइट से आप देख पा रहे हो लाल टमाटर बन के मैं बैठी हूँ, बिकॉज मैं बहुत ज्यादा लगा ली हूँ। But that's what I'm saying. You just need the tiniest amount of the blush and you're good to go. This will last you for a long period of time, and पैसा वसूल product है. This is not a sponsored video. I've been using it. I've been loving it. 6 shades है, आपको कोई ना कोई shade तो जरूर पसंद आएगा. If you are very much confused कि कौन से shade देने चाहिए, you can just go ahead and choose something like this in this color range, जो कि एक nude orange sort of shade है, जो कि बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगता है. I have always ran away from cream products and cream blushes because of having oily and combination skin, but all these products is just making me fall in love with them. I have no problem even when I have very oily combination skin. मुझे कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं आ रही, कोई oiliness उतना नहीं हो रहा है. It is not melting off. बहुत सारी दिक्कत होते हैं when you go ahead and use cream products on top of your foundation and concealer. It tends to move away your concealer and your foundation. Trust me, this won't budge or move around your foundation or your concealer. This will just go ahead and seamlessly melt onto your skin. That just looks absolutely gorgeous. This one is a must have. So if you are on a lookout for trying out new blushes that are affordable and gives you this sort of performance and this sort of look, then trust me, go ahead and grab this. Trust me, you're absolutely going to fall in love with them. Price at just 360 rupees. And again, I saw that इनकी website पे आपको ये blushes around 299 का आपको मिल रहा है. You are getting this for just 299 rupees. I hope you guys can see. You're getting this for just 299 rupees. You can go ahead and check out the website and shop from there. You're going to absolutely fall in love with them. And this performs just like those high-end products. आराम से टक्कर दे सकता है because these are पैसा वसूल product. Yeah, that is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, then do like this video and जरूर से subscribe कर देना channel को. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and